Good Friday to everyone. We are at the Spring Lake campus inside the Business Conference Center services and in the Metro Cafe. Wow, this has been a hot, busy, and successful summer at Metro Tech. As we are here in the Metro Cafe, we are going to celebrate some amazing culinary arts successes this month. So without further ado, here's what happened in July. 6 FCCLA Culinary Arts high school and adult students competed at nationals. 5 of our students placed in the top 10 in their competitions. Brandi Jones placed first in Culinary Arts competition. That's first in FCCLA, first in the nation. And Breea Melton-Highfill placed first in the Pastry Arts competition, first in the nation. Way to go, Metro Tech FCCLA. Also in Culinary Arts, Metro Tech students Micaiah Martin and Diego Rojas were featured at the Oklahoma Restaurant Association's Odyssey de Culinaire, where they got the opportunity to prepare 2 of the most amazing courses with the mentorship of a professional culinary artist. Their meals were delicious, some of the best dishes of the night, right on Metro Tech Culinary Arts. Also in July, we had the Freedom School Walkathon at our Spring Lake campus. We had the opportunity to read to the Freedom School scholars at the readathon on their last day of camp before graduation. We held our summer welding graduation at the Iron Workers Union number 48 in collaboration with the Department of Corrections. It was a great evening to celebrate the accomplishments of these new welders, as now they have a Metro Tech for Life story. We attended Mayor David Holt's State of the City luncheon with Metro Tech executives, board members, and special guest representative-elect Arturo Alonso from House District 89 and local artists, activists, and community business owner JB. We were honored to host the Oklahoma Academy Town Hall meeting at our STEM Academy, and at our Health Career Center and South Bryant campus, we paid host to the Heartland Medical Direction David Wade Memorial Active Attack Conference, where first responders from around the country had the opportunity to connect and learn together at various lectures and trainings. We also gave a tour of our aviation campus to the Cameron University TRIO program. Thank you, Cameron University, for visiting our aviation campus. Our July Student Board Spotlight went to Adult Aviation Maintenance Technician student Walton Brown, and our July Employee Board Spotlight went to Conference Services Specialist Carmen Muende, who is celebrating 3 decades with Metro Tech.
Metro Tech must be doing something right.
Thank you, Walton and Carmen, for sharing your Metro Tech for Life stories with our board members and meeting guests. On Monday, we welcomed all of our new employees at the Metro Tech Cafe. And also this week, we held our all-district professional development conference where all employees met at our Business Conference Center to attend convocation, trainings, lectures, and breakout sessions in preparation for the fall semester, which is just around the corner.
It's a great day at Metro Tech!
We can't wait to see you all here in a couple of weeks. This semester is going to be one for the books. Metro Tech for Life.